You can actually start a business in Kenya without getting a loan. I will be giving you 4 ways on how to do that. But before then, let me give you some tips. If you're desiring to start a business, you do not have to wait for you to get a very big capital or to get a loan. Start small with whatever that it is you have. Stay consistent and grow slowly over time. Start with a business idea that you can afford with whatever it is that you have. Use what already you have, e.g. you can use a smartphone for marketing yourself, and make sure you reinvest your profits. Here are alternative ways of which you can raise capital instead of getting a loan. Number 1 is personal savings, and here is where you set aside some amount of money, maybe every day or every month, from what you're earning. For you to have some personal savings, of course you must be earning. Maybe you can be on a daily wage or on a monthly salary. You just set a goal and say, I'm going to be saving this amount of money every month for maybe around 5 months so that I can start this and this business. The second one is from family and friends, and that is if possible. Some people are lucky to have very supportive family members and even friends. You can just approach them with your business idea, with your business plan, explain to them, and if you're lucky, you can have some of them funding you even without expecting you to pay back. The third one is chamas. Chamas is where you join a chama or the merry-go-round, and in a chama what happens is you contribute a certain amount of money, maybe weekly or monthly, and that amount of money is given to a person. So you can join a chama, and when your turn comes, the amount of money that you'll be given, you invest it. Then you can also go for the last one, the business partnership, where you can look for someone who would also who would be willing to venture into a business idea that you have. You approach them, talk to them, share the idea, and if they are willing, you can contribute, both of you, and start the business together. So don't forget to subscribe, to hit the like button, and even watch the other videos.